Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about numbers from 100 to 1 million. The formula is same for numbers from 100 to 1000. 100, 101, 102, 103. This continues to 199. Then 200, 201, 202, 203. Again, this continues to 299. The same formula continues with 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. 1000. The formula is similar for 1000. We have 1001, 1002. This continues to 1099. Then the formula changes slightly. 1100. The "and" is removed between 1000 and 100. The "and" returns here. 1101. Then this formula continues. 1102, 1103, 1120, 1145. The formula is the same for 2000 and 3000 and all the way up to 9000. Let's look at how the numbers are written down. 9, 0, 0, 0. 9000. The comma, just like in a sentence, is used as a way to separate two clauses, which is why we lose the "and" after the comma. For example, 9000, 455. This comma will help when the numbers get bigger and bigger. Here is 50,000. The comma sits after the number 50. Therefore, if we add further numbers, we know where to pause. 50,000, 425. 76,000, 262. The numbers after the comma follow their original formula. Here is 100,000. Once we get to the hundreds of thousands, there is one more change. The "and" returns and can happen twice. This number is 152,152. As you can see, the "and" occurs twice. Okay, time for a short quiz. How do we say this number? $114,114. Okay, let's try another. 500,000. Okay, one more. 766,110. Okay, finally, 1 million. This number has two commas. 1, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So, for numbers above 1 million, we use this formula. 1 million, comma, 260,000, comma, 153. Now that is a large number. Let's recap. Today, we learned how to say large numbers from 100 to over 1 million. And that's it for today. Well done, and I'll see you next time.